Hi, I'm Kimberly Cope with Bridgeway Academy, here with your homeschooling help in a minute. Today we're going to be talking about critical thinking skills. You might hear that word critical thinking a lot and wonder, why is that important, or how can I integrate critical thinking skills into my school day? Critical thinking skills are really necessary for writing, for understanding reading, even for understanding math and scientific principles. We need our kids to be able to analyze, to ask questions about why. We also need them to be able to infer, if this happens, then this will happen. But these kinds of skills are often difficult to teach. I have a student who has auditory processing delays as well as sensory integration delays, and he really struggles with critical thinking. He struggles with inference, and he struggles with abstract thinking. One great tool that I use to encourage critical thinking at a young age with my son are the Critical Thinking Press books, specifically these books about brain building. This one is Mind Building Math, and you'll notice that it starts at grade K. So we're looking at books that can help younger students to really be prepared for critical thinking at an older level. Mathematical Reasoning is another great critical thinking book for young students, and this goes all the way up into middle school ages. But my absolute favorite series of books to help work with students with critical thinking skills are these Building Thinking Skills books. This is the primary book, which means it's for younger ages, preschool through grade 1. But you'll notice that if you look in these books, there's wonderful different critical thinking activities, such as ranking, such as describing, teaching your kids early on how to use descriptive words, how to rank and categorize and think critically is going to help them with so many different skills: writing, math skills, geometry, even understanding scientific concepts and implementing the scientific method. If you have any more questions about critical thinking skills or where to find these critical thinking books, you can visit curriculumexpress.com. You can find more about critical thinking at homeschoolingtohelp.com. I'm Kimberly with Bridgeway Academy. Hopefully you've found a lot. Hopefully you've enjoyed this video on critical thinking.